also for whoever Pops will be seeing or is seeing, I'm not confirming or deconfirming anything.
Okay.
He has to have the same understanding that I will always be part of Pops.
Sino yon?
Sino? Is she
His
pink?
name...
Martin Rivera, muli nga bang nanunuyo sa dating asawang si Pops Fernandez? Yan ang naiwang katanungan sa isipan ng marami nang mabasa nila ang tungkol sa silent courtship na naisulat ng kasamang kolumnistang si Ricky Lo na nabigyan naman ng konting linaw sa The Buzz noong nakaraang linggo. Nangangahulugan lamang na kung tinapos na ni Martin at ni Pops ang kanilang relasyon, hindi pa tinatapos ang mga tagahanga. That fascination is good and bad at the same time. Ang importante lamang, alam ni Pops at ni Martin ang totoo. Ayon naman sa latest update, ay nagkausap na sina Ricky at Martin. Sinabi niyang ang naturang storya ay gumawa ng gulo at alingas-ngas. Muli na naman daw nitong nabuksan ang mga naghilom ng mga sugat. Humihingi ng paumanhin si Ricky sa sinasabing pagbubukas muli ng naghilom na sugat. Pero hindi niya inihingi ng paumanhin ang pagsulat ng tungkol sa issue dahil nga daw mula ito sa tinagurian niyang impeachable sources. Sa pamamagitan din ng usapang yon ay may gustong linawin si Martin. Ang kanyang inang si Conchita Razon ay wala sa New York City na nabalitang manunood daw ng concert ni Pops, kundi nasa Los Angeles ito. Humingi ito ng tickets ng concert ni Pops para sa mga kaibigan nito para makapanood ng concert. Kung nandun nga daw si Mami Conchita, talagang manunood ito ng show. Pangalawa, hindi pumunta si Pop sa Las Vegas para sunduin ang mga anak na sina Robin at Ram, kundi si Martin ang nagdala kay Pop sa mga ito sa Los Angeles, kung saan naman nagstay si Pop sa kaibigan nitong si Joy Ortega at totoong masaya silang nagkasama-sama doon. At pangatlo, ipinagdidiinan ni Martin na talagang walang silent courtship na inaakala ng ilan, walang Katrina Ojeda na nakabantay sa kanya sa Las Vegas. Gaano kaaminado si Martin na mas naging sexy at seductive ang kanyang dating asawa mula nang magkahiwalay sila? Ano kaya ang masasabi ni Martin Rivera sa patuloy pa ring paglilink ng ex-wife nito kay Choi Montero dito kahit meron ng Nikki Valdez? At totoo kaya ang mga bulong-bulungang hindi na smooth sailing ang relasyong Martin at Katrina dahil sa balitang pagkakamabutihan ng dating mag-asawa? Ang mga issues sasagutin ni Martin Rivera dito sa They're All.
Please welcome live on the bus, Martin Rivera! The most guapo concert king!
Guwapo ngayon, no? Why are you blooming?
Why do you always say that?
No, we don't always say that. There are times when you don't look good, but today...
Noted, but now
today,
you're so gorgeous.
Why?
I think maybe because it's been a long time. I don't know.
But thank you for coming over to the show, straight from the airport.
I just arrived.
Sumptuous.
Ano ba dyan, sumptuous?
Sumptuous.
Let's go to that VTR. You know,
Yes.
there was a
Umpisa
line that went. Do you find Pop
Sexier and more seductive
now?
Every time people ask me that question, I say I've always found Pops sexy, seductive, beautiful. Before she did all of these movies and did these more daring roles, I've always found her sexy, seductive, and beautiful. Pops, if you're watching, you can pay me later.
No. But the question is now.
Oh no, now it's just the same. I don't see any change. Although I must say she has blossomed into a better mother. She's blossomed into a better woman as far as her choices in life, and she's more responsible. Things I've not seen, things I used to do before for her, she's doing on her own now.
If I'm listening to you now, I wouldn't imagine why you guys are separated.
Well, that's what should have been talked about. That's what you should brag about. Is that there is a saturation point as far as pain, as far as guilt, as far as anger, and
it peaks, talagang hanggang dun lang.
I think, because I think in a separated world, as much as a courtship, boyfriend, girlfriend, or a married world, in the separated world, I think there should be a maturity point, and I think Pops and Martin are there. That's what you should write about. That's what you should brag about.
The silent courtship and the fact that the tables have been turned at si Pops na raw ngayon ang parang mistress. answer that.
No, that's a very wrong word to use. Although Ricky Lo did tell me he was being playful at the time, it's still not a nice word to put beside the mother of my children, no? Especially because the issue has always been me and other women. So it's like turning tables around. No, it's not. It really is not.
No, but he printed your side of the story.
Yes, of course.
Yes, explain that. Yeah, in fairness. Anyway, but me naman, Chris, I have a comment to that question before he answers that. No, it becomes more interesting kasi are you more interested, well, I don't know if I should...
Go ahead, no!
Are you more interested with Pops now because that she's not your wife?
That you don't share a bedroom,
as a friend, as a person, yeah.
Parang what's exciting, let's do it.
Do you? I mean, it just occurred to me now. As your publicist, I don't know if that's the right question to ask you. Martin, sorry. But what do you say? What do you say?
So nice to come right here from the airport. I just want you to know.
He came straight from the airport, mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat.
He got a haircut and got his hair colored.
I know.
I think...
Bong Belia.
Yes.
Does
I think
well,
the best answer to your question is, Pops has taken herself, take this the wrong way, Pops has taken herself out of the equation by annulling me. Okay? But let's put all of that aside. I'm just a Joe Blow on the street.
Yeah.
Yes, I would say that because she's not my wife, she could attract...
It's more interesting, no?
I mean, for anybody, not just because I used to be in her past. But
that's right.
She has graduated to the point where she is beautiful enough to even turn my head.
Mark, why do you think you're... Well, okay, Chris, you want to...
Diba, boy? Kasi I think, I'll ask Martin this, something that you could have every day, pero pag pinagbawal sa'yo, becomes more exciting. Like, diba during Lent, bawal ang karne pag Friday. Bakit ba ang sarap-sarap kumain ng barbecue on a Friday during Lent?
Chris, I'll answer that.
And you can eat it every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
No, I will answer that. Masarap talaga ang karne. I mean, no. I mean, meat. Anyway, Martin, I was going to ask you, why do you think you're so blessed?
In my lifetime?
Well, God, as a person, as a human being, well, I will go back to something.
Well, no, I'll stay with your question. I think I'm very blessed. Imagine the woman I put through hell.
Okay.
And it was all
careful again with your words, huh?
Yeah, careful.
Okay.
No, I'm very, very careful. The woman I put through... I'm going to be very, very careful.
Okay, go ahead.
I never get to talk in these interviews. You know?
Okay, we're listening.
It is a blessing that I have been given this opportunity to become a family even for 4 days and share a short vacation with the woman who I have hurt, a woman I have put through hell and back. For her to have become, to mature out of the anger and all the things I've put her through, to be able to allow these 4 days is a blessing. I think I'm totally blessed because I think I've tried to be as honest as I can after being so dishonest in the past.
That's very good.
I think that's why.
At least I don't have to clean that up tomorrow.
Thank you.
Anyway, U.S., what did you do there?
Well, I did a show.
Your fans should know.
I did a show at the Aladdin Hotel, and I checked out a few things that...
Recording, may ginagawa ka raw recording.
I don't want to talk about that only
Not
because
yet.
I think if I do, it's going to...
Okay.
Blow it out of proportion.
Okay.
Is that the right Tagalog word? Mapalpak or something. So I've done a lot of things...
There's a word for it.
That could change udlot, right?
Maudlot, tama.
Thank you.
Okay.
Baka maudlot.
So good in Tagalog
it's better that I don't talk about that. When it's done, if something good happens, sana you'll hear about it without me.
We're very excited. But you have a show on stage.
Yes, starting on June 8th, every weekend at the On Stage. You know where that is?
Greenbelt.
Yes.
Okay. One of the best theaters, mga kaibigan.
Concert there, Gary V. Congratulations. Now it's my turn, June 8th, and every weekend until the end of July, I will be at On Stage.
Kailangan bang i-tight guarding si Martin? Because that was one of the issues raised by Ricky.
Okay.
Na meron daw nakabantay talaga sa'yo. Are you trustworthy enough na you can have your freedom and the woman would be secure na hindi, nagbe-behave si Martin, I'm sure of that.
I'll follow that up. Are you truly happy today?
I am, whatever happiness is today, and my brother asked me the same question, and he said...
your brother and I have something in common,
okay. Happiness changes color.
Yes.
But today, whatever color
happiness is today, I am enjoying that happiness today. So yes, as far as being guarded,
tight guarding,
it's impossible because whoever she is that follows Pops in my life will have to understand that I have a family, and Pops is part and parcel of that family forever. So whoever she is, and we all know who she is, she's doing a good job
Of understanding.
and allowing it. I mean, she's
but that's very tough.
It's very
She
tough.
needs also a lot of help.
And
she
it
goes
goes
both
support
ways.
from you,
She needs to be bigger
Yeah.
than herself because it is very, very hard, Martin.
Oh,
But let's
But
remember,
let's give credit to her.
also for the whoever Pops will be seeing or is seeing, I'm not confirming or deconfirming anything.
Okay.
He has to have the same understanding that I will always be part of Pops.
Sino yon?
Sino? Is she
His
seeing
name
someone?
is, I don't know, but whoever he is, he's a lucky guy.
And sabi mo kanina, we know everybody, this girl who is following Pops, sino siya?
Yeah.
Sorry?
That's a
No,
joke.
the one that you said. Yeah.
Yeah, you said that.
No,
The
did
woman
I?
in your life right now.
No, obviously it's a public knowledge that I'm not going to lie anymore, that I'm not seeing someone.
Okay.
Whoever, and we all know who she is, and she's been very
Everybody
understanding
knows?
about it.
Everybody.
Who?
Yeah, we need her name.
Chris Aquino.
Okay.
I wish. Oh.
Mark's last question. Binibining Pilipinas.
Okay, yeah.
I
If
didn't
you
wanna
were
join
to, if
because
you
my
were to
legs are
change
sore.
one thing in your past, what would that be and why?
Ooh.
Miss Universe pala, I'm
That's a
sorry.
Gilmer question, I
Yeah.
think.
No, it's a
No,
Miss Universe question.
If there's anything na pwedeng i-erase from the past.
If I could erase my imperfections as a man, the weakness of heart and impatience, that's what I would do.
What a poet, no?
Okay.
Okay.
Mart, let's say hi to your friend, the one that you're
Oh, say hello to your friend.
Francis?
He has TFC right
He
now.
does now. Just because of you, he's got TFC in Los Angeles and Chino Hills,
What's his name?
California.
What's his name?
His name is Francis Papica, and he'd like to meet you.
Oh, nice.
This is Chris Aquino, and
Mama ng hair.
this is Francis.
Don't forget, guys, June, when do you open
June
the film?
8th, all of June, every
On
weekend in
stage?
June, all of the weekends in July, on stage. We'll see you there with Louis Ocampo and a
Ganun
great show.
kaganda na yung relationship nila ni Pop.
Ganun kalalim, ganun ka
No,
secure.
Boy, they're gonna double date with me and that Francis when he comes
Wow.
here. I promise.
That leaves
Para
me in a
may
corner.
chaperone.
Okay.
All right, we'll take care of
Okay.
that.
So mga
promise.
kaibigan, huwag po kayong aalis dahil magbabalik pa po ang...
Goodbye. Goodbye.